Thompson lived in a small town with his wife, Kate, and their 2 children, John and Mealy. John was sensible and calm. Mealy was smart and good at her studies, but she was a bit mischievous. She had a habit that often worried her mother. She would sneak into the kitchen and eat without asking. Kate tried many times to stop her, but the habit was hard to break. One Sunday morning, John came to Kate in the kitchen.
"Mom, I'm going to Arthur's house. You know he loves your sandwiches. Can you make some?"
Kate smiled.
"Of course, John."
In the evening, John came into the kitchen while Kate was finishing the sandwiches.
"Wow, Mom. These look perfect,"
he said, grinning. Kate smiled.
"Now go, get ready for your visit."
John nodded and hurried to his room. Meanwhile, Kate went to her room, folding the clothes. Mealy was sitting at the table, doing her homework. Soon, her stomach growled. She tiptoed into the kitchen.
"Oh, sandwiches,"
she whispered. Without thinking, she ate a few and went back to the lounge. John stood at the dressing table. He sprayed some body spray on himself.
"Smells nice,"
he said. He then walked to the kitchen and looked around.
"Where are the sandwiches?"
he whispered, frowning.
"Oh no. Mealy."
He rushed to the lounge.
"Mealy, did you eat the sandwiches?"
John asked. Mealy shrugged.
"Yes. I was hungry."
Just then, Kate came into the lounge.
"What happened?"
she asked. John frowned.
"Mealy ate the sandwiches,"
he complained. Kate scolded Mealy gently.
"Mealy, you shouldn't take food without asking."
Then she turned to John and smiled.
"It's okay, I'll make more next time. Now go, you're getting late."
John stared at Mealy for a moment, then shook his head and left. That night, Mealy was in her room when she saw a rat scurrying in the corner.
"Oh no!"
she screamed. Kate and Thompson ran in. Thompson hugged her gently.
"What happened, dear?"
"I saw a rat,"
Mealy said, trembling. Kate frowned.
"A rat?"
Thompson smiled.
"No worries. I'll get some rat killer powder tomorrow."
The very next day, Thompson brought the powder. That evening, Kate mixed it carefully into a tea cake and set it on the counter.
"I will put it in the corners tonight,"
she whispered. A little while later, Mealy came into the kitchen. She saw the tea cake.
"Yum."
She ate it all and ran back to her room. About half an hour later, Mealy screamed in pain. Kate rushed over and held her hand.
Mealy, what's wrong?
she asked worriedly. Mealy shook her head, tears in her eyes.
My tummy, it hurts.
Kate frowned.
What did you eat, Mealy?
Mealy's eyes widened, tears rolling down.
Tea cake. Oh no,
Kate exclaimed.
the rat powder was in it.
Just then John and Thompson rushed in. They quickly took Mealy to the hospital. After coming home, John teased.
Mealy. Mind your food next time.
Mealy made a face.
Mom, he always teases me.
Then she said slowly.
I'm sorry, Mom, Dad. I won't eat food without asking, I promise.
Thompson and John hid their smiles, while Kate stared at them.